Gang, gang, let's go. Lord of the King, Beaver in the building. Making crypto honest again. Give it the VWAP slap, slap it. Hit the pink box, mid the green candle pop. Give it the VWAP slap, slap it. Trade the buns, don't get chopped at the top. Base hits, base hits. Take the money and run. Base hits, now the friction's gone. Wait for the SFP, sweep the lows and go. Golden pocket bounce, let the money flow. Hit the auto block, avoid the Darth Maul wick. Stop loss to entry, don't be a dick for a tick. Market cipher printing. The outer gang is winning. Give it the VWAP slap, slap it. Hit the pink box, make the green candle top. Give it the VWAP slap, slap it. Trade the buns, don't get chalked at the top. Base hits, base hits. Take the money and run. Base hits, now the friction's gone. Don't be an ambi, push it. Get out of your wanking chariot. Let's go. Don't be a douche canoe, manage your risk. Chop at the top, slap at the top. Wait for the flip, push it, slap it, pump it. Give it the VWAP slap, slap it. Hit the pink box, make the green candle pop. Give it the VWAP slap, slap, slap it. Trade the buns, don't get shot at the top. Base hits, base hits. Take the money and run. Base hits. Now the friction's gone. Taking the trades, showing the trades. Stay true to the digital. All the gang, gang, gang.
On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making the moves, that flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional pain. I'm trapping this game, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pants full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an otter gang with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing guys so pretentious. Grapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. AlexOCrypto. AlexOCrypto.
Good morning, Otter gang. What is going on, everybody? Good morning. Hopefully you've had a beautiful, spectacular, supercalifragilisticexpialidocious evening. MISSISSIPPPI. Mississippi, mofo. Come on, you all did that as kids. Try to spell Mississippi. Good morning, everybody. Thank you for being here. Bitcoin. Snooze fest. The levels are still working. It's just a matter of time. Thank God. Like, imagine you're a swing trader in this environment. Imagine you're just like, yeah, I've been long since May. That June low. Sideways for 3 months. I mean, sucker. Picked the wrong style, right? I mean, imagine you're long from, what is it? You caught the low at June 25th. Imagine you're up 8%. But damn. I mean, 8%. We've made more than 20% this week. It's crazy. Anyways, we're not swing traders. We're degenerate scalp traders. But we do well. We do so well that we were able to take another $15,000 profit yesterday into the bank account, showing the trades, taking the trades, making crypto honest again. So, you know what? At the end of the day, keeping the money, securing the bag, even in this slow, painful bear market. Oh, we're still managing to survive. Okay, there's movement. It's just it's like, when you get the warning sign, you're at you're in the middle of a lineup for something important, and then your belly goes roar, roar, roar. And you gotta go toilet, but you're trying to hold on. It's happened to me on the stream. I won't lie. It's happened to me on the stream where I'm like, I would long this right now, but I might shit my pants. You guys don't know when that's happened, but it has, okay? That's the truth. That's the truth. Remember, we're streaming. It's 6 in. Sometimes we don't drop the kids off until the afternoon. But I'm pretty regular, thank God. We're already getting down the degenerate chat train. Let's go. What's going on, Fred? Good morning, man. How you doing, brother? Good to see you. See, I can always rely on the chat to go back in and to get myself from spiraling too far. I like to spiral just adequately, right? What's going on, Vigad? Good to see you, Max. Army Piper. We've caught a good trade every single stream this week. So you guys been spoon-fed like crazy. We've caught them in the Discord as well. Like, it's been a plethora of good trades, man. So happy days. What's going on, Cadillac? Oh, that must have been fun in high school, wasn't it? It's Mac. Good to see a Duality. Army Piper in the chat. We got our favorite data coming out, guys. PP in your eye. We got the PP in your eye data. The big old mushroom slap. Duality, Crypto Jim, good to see you. Hell yeah. Jake Dorton, good morning. Decent Crypto. The Andy, 585 Eero. How you doing? Alexandra G. Oh, bless you. I did confirm Melissa is a Dodgers fan. I mean, if you guys want some degenerate... No, I'm kidding. If you guys want some some lovely ladies that can put up with an absolute degenerate, raunchy talking crypto trader named Alex. So there's three ladies that always show up to the stream: Jeanette, Alex, and Melissa, and Chantel. But Chantel's a Blue Jays fan, and they're all Dodgers fans. So if you want to go and find a hot date, go to a Dodgers game. You go find your girl. I guarantee you, go to LA, go to a Dodgers game, and you will find the one, because she's ready. She probably trades crypto, and her P&L dunks on your ass. I only trade Sol, so it's been a slow couple of days. Sol's been moving. Look, what? Buy, sell. I don't know, man. I've been trading Solana as well. Look at, I mean, Sol's giving you 1.5%. Bitcoin's giving you what? Maybe 1%. Yeah. There's opportunity as long as you're patient. We had the long level down here last night. We also had the short level up here last night for the gang. Okay, so you could take this down, take this up, take this down, take this up. Maybe wrong here. Okay, stopped out. Treat it like a range. I mean, you're winning. You're three for 4. If you manage your risk and pay yourself properly, you in the bank. All right. You also gave this level up. Front ran the tippy top. Got a little sweep of the lows pushback here. Interestingly enough, it did roll over this morning. I don't like this. This is retest to previous lows. Key level of resistance. Okay, VWAP 63,600. Watching this as well. What's going on, Sparrow? Good to see you. Dependable, how you doing? Good morning, gang. Let's go, man. Good to see you, bro. How you doing, 585? Morning, Otter Gang. Please remember to smack the like button and subscribe, and go to a Dodgers game. Decent Crypto, Mojo, Jojo, Shri, and Pandy. What's going on? Wayne Rossi, my man. Aaron Leon. Good morning. Good to see you, Dependable. Shri and Brian, son of the king. Good morning. Chocolate Salty. Watch out. Balls. I said it today. Proof of work notorious. Good morning, guys. Good to see you. Thank you for being here. It's all fake news. PPI data. Do I even have it pulled up? Yeah, I do. I think I do. Yeah, PP in your eye data. Is there anything else coming out today? PPI, core PPI, initial jobless claims as well. Oh, it's all fake. Oh, we're all going to get faked out today. All right. Well, Army Paper loves this stuff. How can you... I don't know how you can get a, affection or erection for any sort of data. It's just not my forte. But as a scalper, I need to be aware of it. I try to understand it. You help me understand it. But damn, Daniel, it's not my favorite cup of tea, as they would say in Lordumbria. Anyways, good to see a Cubanadian, my man. How you doing, Marius? F13, my man. Good to see you as well, G1. I mean, I'm sure I call some ladies in here, my man. What's going on, Chantel, my man? I figured you deserve it too, just sending you some love as well. How you doing, one-legged beggar? How you doing? Good morning. Thank you guys for saying good morning. Hemdroid, Trace, JR, Prince, my man. Toomey, buenos dias, bro. Let's go. Let's go, man. We've been banging trades. How about that Allen Iverson head fake crossover on the stream yesterday? We torched them, man. Left to right. Quick move. I don't care about Brazil. Brazil. Why would... I know it was a Portuguese colony, but why you in South America and you speak in Portuguese? You ever work with Portuguese people? It sounds like a windstorm when they're talking. There's tons of Portuguese in construction. They are great workers, man. Great workers. Love them. I worked with a couple of them. Steve, Sabino. Oh, man. Peixe. They always eating fish at lunchtime. Peixe. Love those guys, man. Crypto Mel, JR, Prince, Trace, Dusty, Isaac, how you doing? Cash, Oak, good morning. Big Dog. I don't know, man. Some days that I don't feel like a big dog. I feel like a wee little poodle, like a min pin or something, you know? An ankle biter, a yappy thing. And some days I feel like I'm a cane corso, just strutting around, swinging it, you know? It's important to recognize your feelings as a trader. We have them. We try to be as stoic and as disciplined as possible, which is hard, especially on a live stream. And like, I get hyped up with you guys here, man. Like, if we all banging a trade together. Let me know. Is anybody short from up here? Put a 2 in the chat if you're short. I think the short's the play. We've gotten the playbook every single day, guys. What's the playbook? Do I have to tell it for you every single day? What happened on Sunday? I told you. Pa. Monday. Pa. Tuesday. Pa. Wednesday. Pa. Right? And guess what? It's Thursday. Pa. Will this macro volume support hold? That is always the question, right? Here's your playbook. All you have to do is short the morning. Look for support in the afternoon. Short the morning, support in the afternoon. Short the morning, support in the afternoon. Pretty simple, right? Holy, who would have thought? So we've taken liquidity out of the lows. Now we're pushing back up into previous lows. Coming into the PP in your eye data. We've rolled over a bit. But yeah, this was like a significant move out, right? This isn't as big. So today might be the day we bottom. You heard it here first. Today might be the day that we bottom. Now I would highly prefer us to come and take this. Okay? I would much rather take that low and then go. But you know how the price action's been, man. They don't give a shit about this low. They have to take it. Okay, so we're looking for this, really. This would be the giga long. This right here. That would be back up the effing truck. Maximum position size. Crank the leverage. Retire your bloodline trade, okay? Other than that, it's a friggin' range, guys. Buy low, sell high. Trend is down right now, so we'll see. Shorts are in play. Coming back into retesting this high or these lows right now. Potentially. We'll take a look at Market Cipher. But yeah, coming into this area, generally looking for shorts into this area here. And back down into here. Generally. Now this is a nice V-shaped recovery. We could be in this area of the price action, right? What did we get yesterday? We got the V-shaped recovery. So we got the sell-off. Sorry. We got the sell-off, the V-shaped recovery, and then the continuation down. Hopefully we're right here. We longed that yesterday. We all caught the tippy bottom yesterday. I made like $900 on that trade, and then we continued down. So hopefully we're literally right here. Right? You're just going to copy and paste it. I'll make it look like it. Don't worry, I got you. We'll see. That would be juicy, wouldn't it? Something like that. V-shaped recovery right now. And then down we go. Bottom out. And then Valhalla. We'll see. But a little bit of a rollover. A weird one this morning. Like I was looking at the charts before updating Discord. And I was like, what the heck's going on here, man? We got holding support. And then bye-bye. And now we're climbing back pretty aggressively. No trades right now, okay? Like I said, I took 15,000 in profits, so I was at 50,800, and I took 15,000 out into my bank account, okay? Happy days. So we're up 30 racks already this month. Let's not give it back, Alex. Which is pretty sweet. $30,000 US dollars. Showing the trades, taking the trades. You guys have watched me. There's the 20. Look at that. $15,000 is actually $20,800 Canadian. That's pretty sick. Now that's awesome. Tell me that's not awesome, right? Bravo, Canada. Way to depeg your dollar. Right? Way to depeg the dollar. See, if you do get paid in US, you get a new job. The job is to go over and look at currency and make sure that you're converting, okay? Converting your US to CAD. So I have like a US to CAD. This is my buy and this is my sell. Look at this. Look, thank you, Donald, man. Ever since, Donald came into office, our dollar has been absolutely decimated, which is great for me. It's horrible for Canadians, right? But you can see my conversion. It's like so the easy conversion for Canadian dollars is 3 to 4. So 3 equals, that's not equals, 3 equals 4, right? That's the easy conversion, right? Which is sweet, man. So as you can see, 15 equals 21. Ching! I have the convert and the don't convert. Convert, don't diddle in the middle. You guys should all do that if you get paid in US dollars, but hey, I ain't your dad. It can be a very significant difference of like hundreds of dollars. So who doesn't want to make extra hundreds of dollars? If you're already making dollars, you got to make more. You got to find a way to stretch that money out. 10 minutes till news. I do not like the way this is pushing up. This is V-shaped recovery, but it's like really slow V-shaped recovery. So let's just keep that off the chart in case anybody namby-pamby tries to, oh, you told me to short, right? Gotta stay away from those guys. Thank you for being here, Chocolate. Alex, come to PMA and give you lower price. A DVD with every purchase? Good, man. I love PMA, man. You ever been to Dr. Flea's in Etobicoke? That was a spot, man. In my childhood, you get those N64 games cheap. Flea market, Dr. Flea's on 27. That was a good spot, man. Cash out, good to see you. Hemdroid. He's getting rid of the kids, man. Jake Dorton, good to see you, man. Keen Bean, Army Piper. Cash Oak. Soul 1 Hour wants to bounce again. Pizza. STL. Curtis Hill, my man. How you doing, Curtis? Good to see you, bro. Thank you for always being here. Birdie. Gang. Chris, how you doing? Peb. Becco. Jackson. Caesars, good morning. Good to see you guys. True story, says Alexander G. See? That's where you go find your wives, guys. Get to the Dodgers game. Wear an Ohtani jersey. Or just buy a jersey and get pay to win on the back. Pay to win. That's exactly what you should get. Pay to win. That's a Dodgers jersey. Cheeky. I'm still so bitter, man. I'm so bitter, Alex. Oh, you. Bullshit. Anyways, Andy, what's going on, Wayne C? Wayne, how's those chip butty sandwiches, mate? You doing all right? You all right? Yeah, you. I'm working on my proper British conversationals, you know? You all right? You have a chip butty there, mate? Yeah. Right? Want some curry sauce with that? We're gonna have some chips on the bread there, mate. All right. How about them Gunners? Aston Villa. That's the first thing my wife's uncle said to me. So you're gonna be once we got married. So you're gonna be an Aston Villa fan, aren't you? I'm a Villa fan, just designated, right? B Rad, good to see you. Ada Ace. Rudy, good to see you. Stoic. Jay Becker. I'm feeling bloody brilliant today, mate. In it? Just say in it. In it, bruv. Man, ADA is a terrible trade. Yeah, man. I bought ADA at 33 cents. Was it 33 cents? FTX collapsed and I sold it at 60 or 70. That was gone. I'm like, I'm never touching this coin again. That was like when I was new. Villa put up a good game yesterday. See, there we go. They used to have, what was that guy? Graylish? The guy with the sexy hair? Yeah, this guy, guys, don't ever estimate a posh British twat. Footballer Graylish. Is it Jack Graylish? Oh yeah, look at the fucking wig on this guy, man. Hello, mate. I used to play for Aston Villa, but then I got my hair done. And now I play for a real team. Oh yeah. Should I do the Graylish? Should I wear the hair back? What do you guys think, guys? Oh man, it's too good. Yeah, I've gotten Adam Sandler vibes. We even sung "Piece of Shit Car" on this stream. Piece of shit car, I got a piece of shit car. Thank you, man. Have you ever heard Adam Sandler "Piece of Shit Car"? It's probably my favorite song growing up. It never gets me very far. It's a piece of shit. It's so good, man. If you haven't listened to it, get off my stream. Go listen to it. I don't mind. Who's excited for football? American football? I mean, I hopefully can get into another. See, I don't watch NFL. I used to watch the NFL back in the day. But I was in a fantasy football league last year with CryptoFace, and I decided to pick all white players as a joke. Thank God I picked what's his name? He carried my team, San Francisco, incredible player. But it didn't pan out very well, guys. It didn't work out. It didn't work out pretty well. Oh man. All lies. Notorious. 280 people here, guys. Thank you for being here. Waiting for this trade. Got data coming out in 4 minutes, so just waiting. Thank you for being here, supporting the channel, smashing like buttons. We got a couple of shorts in here. Producer price inflation. It's like it's just another lie, but just waiting for it to come in here. We want to see the PP in your eye data come in. Okay, right here. It was at negative 0.3. We want to see it come in at 0.1. We'll see. So I'm gonna guess it's gonna be judging by yesterday, I think it's gonna come in hot. I think it's gonna come in at 0.2. 0.2 is my guess. All right, that's my guess. You guys can do whatever you want. You heard it here first. It's going to be 0.2. Good morning, Dusty. Have a great day, Jake. Thank you for dropping by, man. Bruno, Dump, good morning. Yeah. You guys like that song, Piece of Shit Car, or no? The Hanukkah song was my jam. Yeah. For my inner Jew. Love it, man. Gay robots, hilarious, right? McCaffrey, yeah. I had the Mick, man. He was so good. He held my whole team up. Whoever ding my car, it always gets me in the balls. Swear jar, mate. Yeah, I've been I've been swearing. That's all right. We're having fun, man. If it comes in hot, we go down. Not necessarily. Just means that the rates are probably, it's 60-40 now. After yesterday and all that data that came out yesterday, guys, it's 60-40. Sorry for the flashbang. 60-40, right? So the more going into September, which is when they would increase rates, we're at 40% right now. So the higher inflation is, the more chances of them increasing rates. The lower jobs are, the less chance of them increasing rates. Okay, so they're trying to balance. Let's be real, they're effed, man. They're in trillions of dollars of debt. They're stuck in a pickle because they can't. If they cut, then they get high inflation. If they hike, then they don't promote any growth, right? So what do? Do you cut a lot and let AI kind of promote growth? And so what they're looking to do, in my opinion, going forward, the next like 3 years, 3 to 5 years, they're looking for AI to bring down inflation somehow, right? Because it's going to be more effective or more efficient, sorry. Therefore, they can lower interest rates, make borrowing money cheap, okay, yet again, because AI is going to make everything more efficient, right? That's their hope and dreams, right? Because what they really need to do, in my opinion, is they really need to cut rates, because to service the debt, the higher the interest rate, the more the debt is to pay off. Okay. Wow. Here we go. Push. PP in your eye data 0.2. Nailed it. No, I said 0.3, didn't I? Wait. Big wick up. What a VWAP slap, man. VWAP slap and dump. NASDAQ. Slap and go. Biddy. Slap and go. Down we go. First move was up. PPI coming in at 0. So it's even below. That's bullish. No trade right now. What a slap. Holy slap. VWAP. Dirty girl. Solana rising. NASDAQ. Slap down as well. Anybody interested? That's a liquidity sweep, permission to go down move. PPI coming in lower than expectations. Coming in at 0, guys. 0, which is really good. Therefore, price is going to move. If someone caught that VWAP slap, you're cheating. Like, there's no fucking way. There's no way someone caught that slap, man. That is so quick. I'm fast. Like, ask my wife. But, like, holy smokes. Oh. Anybody catch the short? If you're short from, like, 63.5. Damn. That was quick. All right. Ankle breaker like yesterday incoming? No, I'm not gonna break the ankles anymore. I faked everyone out yesterday. I faked out like 80 people. That was so good. Cashed my long on breakout on that slap up. Nice one, Daniel. GG's, bro. Check the jobs too. We'll check the jobs. Sorry, man. Sorry. What did the jobs say? We're rolling over here. Jobs. Am I on impact too? Yeah. Initial jobless claims. Above expectations. Don't worry. They'll revise that next month, man. They've revised, I think it's like 23 out of 30 jobs. Down. They've revised it down every time. So we're coming in 0, which is good. Let's check the Fed Watch tool again. Sorry about the flashbang. Any change here? Not yet. It'll bake a little bit. Man, Army Piper getting all the data. We'll go on. What's going on, Philly? Good to see you, Philly Skills. Nadim, Good morning. Gang. Darren. McCaffrey. Yeah, that's the guy. If it comes in hot, we go down, right? Well, it came in not hot. It came in. Well, you have to go to Army Piper. He'll explain it, but we were talking about this clock here, guys. 39 trillion. Jeez. Trillion. Look at that. There's your wage. 100,000 a year. 1, 2, 3, 400,000, 500,000. Are you feeling like this system's rigged already? 6, 7, you know? Having fun yet? Isn't that crazy, guys? That's so disgusting. Nothing burger. The core PPI is important. Consensus, but nothing's going to happen. Chart is bearish, so we're going down. Simple. Nice, Nico. I like that attitude and that idea. That's good. Caught the bottom of that wick. You caught this wick here? Why no violence? Expected bigger moves. I mean, look at the market we have right now, right? It's Chop City. Rudy chump change. Organized theft. Bitcoin at 0 yet? Well, you got to remember, like, this is summer lulls, guys. August and September is the most boringest price action. The vol is low you'll ever get. However, the most significant timing, in my opinion, is to be involved at this time. It sucks looking at price crawl, but when it's ready, and you won't know when it happens, but as long as you're showing up every day, you'll be able to take advantage of it, where most people who give up at this time are not gonna. That's what from my experience. Right? That's why I show up every day. It's hard at times to show up every day when price is flat. I mean, we took 1,700 out of the market yesterday, right? So it's like no complaints, man. I mean, it's just a matter of managing risk, taking the opportunities, right? It's not an easy market to trade. It requires a lot of patience. Nice push here. NASDAQ climbing. Yep. Okay, we got NASDAQ climbing. ES spike up, sweep of the high, permission to go down. Interesting. NASDAQ, chop at the top. I like NASDAQ for like a Bart Simpson today. Look at all this. Yummy liquidity, baby. I like NASDAQ for a big old dump. Not a big dump, right? Just like one into here. Yeah, into this low here. And why not take this low as well, right? So bing and bang. I like that for NASDAQ. Maybe rip off a Band-Aid. We'll see. SpaceX. Tesla pre-market's down. SpaceX pre-market down. Everybody getting SpaceX FOMO yet? I mean, we told you to buy around here. I told you I bought at 107, so I ain't gonna be I ain't your dad. Being a dad's hard enough. Being your dad would be, you know. Can you put $1,000 in my trading account, please, Dad, so I can keep going and showing my P&L? Yeah, sure. Okay. A little bit of a burger here. 1 minute. Pop and drop. NASDAQ didn't take the highest. ES did. Okay. Trapping traders, both sides wrecked. Here's our Darth Maul candle. However you want to go on whatever time frame, you'll see. There it is. 10-minute Darth Maul candle. All right. I don't know, man. If I had a lightsaber, I'd definitely just cut off a limb by accident. Like, full stop. Like, come on. You think, right? You think that's a good weapon? Like, everybody's like, oh, I want a lightsaber. I'm like, bro, you'd end up killing yourself. Like, imagine, you just flick. Imagine you go and reach in for your phone and you hit your lightsaber and it just turns on and it cuts your leg off. Or even worse, your dick. Right? Not a weapon of choice in my opinion. Right? Oh man. The things we get into. Darth Maul lost. What's going on, Marine Mike? Good to see you, bro. How you doing? Darth Maul in, yeah. Both sides. Organized stuff. Don't lose your dick for a tick, yeah. Only up until Orange wakes up. Yeah. Konnichiwa. Konnichiwa. I can't be trusted with a butter knife or a paintbrush. I don't know if I got any on the walls yesterday. I'm painting my son's room. Look. Oh, wrong one here. I don't know. Thumbs up for War Amps. This is my wrecked. I got a big ass gash right here, but I mean, I got paint on it now. Thumbs up for War Amps. That's me right now. It's not bad considering I've painted 3 days in a row. I'm not too covered in paint. The carpet is though. Good morning, Yellow Hammer. How's it going, man? Gates to Profits. Good morning. Good morning. Good to see you. Nice gash. I'll show you the picture, Dave, if you want to see it. It was like, Kill Bill blood, where like squirts everywhere. That's exactly what happened. It's on my hat. Look. I haven't cleaned it yet. That's my thumb. That's my thumb. Right there. That's blood. Otherwise, I'd be a redhead on the stream if it wasn't for this hat. 612 is calling. Hello, 612. I have a specific set of skills. Please explain Bitcoin chart. Bitcoin chart. Yeah, we could do that, I guess. What do you want explained? Candles go sideways since June. You're in a range. Buy low, sell high. Look at the price action recently. So summer lull, right? We had a nice accumulation in here. We took advantage. We had lower highs all the way down, breaking down. We have since swept that high. Okay. We are now retesting. Guess what we're retesting, guys? Who would have thought? I don't like the way that drew. I'll do it this way. I'll do it my way. I did it my way. All right. We're retesting that channel. Okay. We are also in a golden pocket area. So swing low to swing high. I think 63 is calling. I've been calling for 63 all week. We haven't gone there. Okay? Very simple. I really think the low is calling. It's like on speed dial. What do you guys think? Is the low in? Yes and no. So 72% say no. Your mic volume is low. There's no way my mic volume is low. I can turn it up a little bit for you. Check, 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 check. All right. Is that better? I've turned it up a little bit for you. Hopefully that helps. All right. Where were we? So if this and that. So really when we're looking at this, right, we're flat as ever, right? So understand this. When we zoom out on higher term time frames, we have failed to get it back into the range. This is like every coin right now. Here's our range. Failure. We have our lows. We have lots of volume macro support. I suggest you take these levels down, screenshot it, whatever you need to do. They're right here on the right hand side. Besides that, I'm not giving you all my shit because that's for the Discord. We have left imbalance below here. Okay? Meaning on the higher term time frames, there's a high probability that we come and take this liquidity in here and bounce, which is around 60,000. Okay? How we behave off of that bounce is very important. Do we make a lower high or do we start to make higher highs? Because if we make a lower high and we fail to get up into here, which is where we're looking, 74,000 to 70,000, that's where we're looking to go. If we continue up, okay. But if we fail to make higher highs and higher lows in here, then we are coming down minimum 55, I would say. I like 47. I like a death wick of 47. It's like Donald Trump farts or something. I've called 47. I like 47 because I said 47 up here. This is where I said 47. Okay. I think Army Piper said 38. 39. Was it that volume nipple you said? Platinum pocket? Did you say that one, Piper? I don't know what you said, but it's recorded, so I can find it. He's probably looking platinum pocket. You're not looking 28,000. There's no way. 39 makes more sense. 39, there's no way. You're looking at big volume nipples here. You got one here and one here. So you got here. He's looking at the volume nipples, guys. He likes the volume nipples. So he's looking at 43 probably. He's probably looking at 43. I'm looking to front run that. That's my guess. What does he say? What did he say? Piper, is he here? We're trying to hold him accountable. I said 47. I'll stick to my guns. All right. If you haven't watched the new Benjamin Cowan video, I highly suggest you go and watch the new one. He said the next 60 days are very important. It's actually a really good video. He's been pretty right this last couple cycles. So I would go and watch the new Benjamin Cowan video. Okay. He does a very good job of explaining where we're at right now. He said the low can come in now. Latest November, I believe. Fuck, if we gotta wait for November, that would be so shit. But I'm here for it. Whatever. Either way. If this, then that. Okay? If this, then that. Always prepared. So, what do we have here? Weekly time frame, okay? AlexOCrypto's on the weekly time frame. Shit. We could say that we are still in a downtrend very clearly. Okay, we can also say that we have failed to reclaim previous ranges. Okay, technically speaking, we are looking for this thing to break out and get going, but the trend is still down. Okay, so what do we do with this price action? Because it's slow, it's painful, it's hard to trade. Well, we scalp it, we take advantage of it. It's not hard. It's just patience, right? So we like this low. We got to get above this high. We are at macro volume support. I'll show you the levels one more time. If we hold here, we're going up to here. If we lose here, we're going down to here. Okay? The stock market's making all-time highs. It's crazy, man. Right? Oil has been spiking. It's back down to 80. which is great, right? We spiked all the way up for a retest at 91. Now we're kind of like sick of the Strait of Hormuz tweets, right? Okay, so as long as we're below 90, we said this, as long as we're below 90, the stock market can do whatever it wants. There's going to be pain. You can see gold increasing after a big accumulation model here. Okay, gold is starting to fly. China, guys. China's buying lots of gold, selling U.S. debt. Okay, China. Be prepared. All right, silver. Accumulation, breaking out. Same deal. Okay, so debasement trade is active, which means Bitcoin has permission to go up if it wants to. Not many people interested right now. They will be interested once they see a Giga Chad candle, right? And it happens so fast. This is why we're around, because of things like this, right? This is why we're around for it. Because if it plays out, if you haven't seen a 10% candle day in crypto, that's why we're here, right? There's a reason why I made 147,000 in November, because I pressed sell. That's it. And I trailed my stop loss. Like, it wasn't hard for me to make money there because I had conviction it was going down. I got into a good trade setup and I just trailed my stop loss. That's it. On stuff like this, you'll make crazy money. And if you're new here, we get into entries like that, right? I mean, we bottom ticked this week, didn't we, gang? I went live with everybody, and we literally got long right here. 280. Okay, so if this, then that. I'm trying to push here. Interesting. NASDAQ still climbing higher lows, creating liquidity into market open. VWAP slap here above resistance, trying to get going. I'm not interested in the VWAP slap right now. This is aggressive. NASDAQ's pushing as well. Still no trade. As a scalper, as long as we're moving, right? This is a little bit tricky in this stuff, but like I said yesterday in the Discord, I gave them the sell wall here. I gave them the buy level here. I gave them the sell wall up here. 3 for 4. You got stopped at once. Cha-ching, 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 cha-ching. Right? You can still make great moves, but don't have these expectations that you're going to like bottom tick and it's going to be a runner. You can't get married to it being a runner. You got to pay yourself in this environment. And then leave the runner. Pay yourself what you're happy with and then leave the runner. And then realize it's just going to come back and get you. So the 4, the 3, the 2, and the 1. Locally, what are we doing? We're chopping, right? So we have the daily trigger. This is how you know you're really in chop. When market cipher looks like this, we have low momentum waves. So you don't have peaks and valleys. You have chop in the middle here. You're not really getting overextended in premium and discount, right? You have indecision. Same with the 3-day. Look at the 3-day. Indecision. Okay, you do not have these swings. You have chop, which means it's going to make a move. So we participate, but we pay ourselves. That's all it's saying. Participate, but have lower expectations for the actual move. The 4, the 3, the 2, and the 1. 4, permission to go up. Okay. Green money flow, crossing over, trying to push back here. 3, same deal. 2, same deal. Anchor, trigger, trigger. Bullish divergence, anchor, trigger wave. This should be bullish going into this afternoon. Okay. Generally, as an oscillation is only as good as an oscillation. Remember that. It's not perfect. But this should be bullish. Right? So when we're looking at price action here, what have we done? Bullish divergence. No higher high here. That's the problem. Okay. So we got bull div, but no higher high here. Equal highs is bearish. failure to push above and close. Lower high, continuation down. But we have anchor, trigger, trigger. Anytime we have been met this week, Sunday dump, Monday dump, Tuesday dump, Wednesday dump, Thursday dump. Okay? Can we bottom out and get pushing? We'll see. Right? Either way, we have dumped in the morning, accumulated in the afternoon, and pushed out. So what am I expecting? We got dump in the morning so far. Does it continue to dump? And then this afternoon, I will look for longs, depending on price action. And maybe that long will be the one that actually runs back up. Or maybe the dump from this morning that we take is the one that goes all the way down. So I set myself up for success that way. I have a bias. I understand where we're at. I understand what I'm looking for. I have key levels. I execute with good risk management. And that's it, right? Patience, patience, patience. We don't buy girthy green candles. We don't short girthy red candles, right? Like, objectively speaking, we went over that a little bit yesterday. The setups, the ideas, where we're looking for it, how we're looking to get there, all that good stuff, right? Patience. Looks like we are pushing up, trying to get above VWAP here. VWAP key level of support and resistance. Right now, this is a no trade zone, in my opinion, unless we have like convincing price action. Convincing price action would be pushing out, retracing back, and continuing. Otherwise, I should generally be looking for a rejection here. Rejection would consist of losing this. Actually, losing this is valid, and then I would look for lower high here. So I'm waiting right now. This is definitely noodle slap hot dog zone in the middle of the range. As we can see, highs and lows. Here's the middle. Here's the top. Here's the bottom. Want to buy low and sell high in general speaking. This is a 1% range. Okay. We can take micro penis trades. It's just, I want to see if we're going to take them in here. It's got to be pretty clear. Right now, it does look like we are pushing out. Solana, higher highs, higher lows, coming into that resistance as well. NASDAQ continuing to climb. Looking to come for the high. Didn't do it this morning. ES pushing out. We have a breakout continuation here. We did take the high on ES, but higher highs, higher lows all overnight. Let's see if we got some updated Fed watch. Woof, flashbang. I got you guys good with that one. 67. Even greater chance of no rate increases. Bullish in my opinion. All right, bullish means they're not gonna I mean, we still have till the 16th of September. Things can change, guys, but this data is very important for this decision, and a 70% chance is a pretty good chance, man. So there you go. Less chance of them increasing rates and staying flat going into September. Put a 1 in the chat if you're long. Put a 2 in the chat if you're short, and put a 3 in the chat if you're skiing. Thank you guys for being here. God bless you guys. Hopefully you're having a wonderful day. I'm skiing today, guys, so far. No trades. It's been a great week for me. This week I'm already up. I think I'm up $9.5 grand. 15,000 into the bank account. So it's been a great fucking week for me considering price action. Just been managing myself well. That's all. And then once I've made the money, I don't trade anymore. Good to see you, Randy. War, inflation, tariffs, global warming. Yeah, it's all good stuff, isn't it? Mojo Jojo. Miss Teen Crypto. How's it going, Randy? Did you and Gio kiss and make up or what? 45K would be nice target. Yeah. I said October bottom on October 6th last year when I sold everything. What number did you call though, Piper? 39K is my worst case scenario. Now he's looking at 42. I like 42. 42 sounds good. Big nips are the best nips. Let's go, Darren. Whatever you're into, man. Primo Viva. All right, my plan first 61.2, second 74K, then big damp. All right. Volume's fine. See? I don't need to change my microphone settings for you. You just making me French Toaster. Good morning. Why haven't you come over and given me your TRC address? You've won a giveaway. You just might not. Do you just not like money? TRC 20. Good morning. What about WLD? I don't touch anything like that, man. I wouldn't touch that with Darren Does Things and Army Piper pushing, man. Sorry. You think about Chainlink? It's getting a little bit of a push up, isn't it? Right? I hold a little bit of Link long-term hold. I think I bought at $9 back in my day. I don't hold a lot of that though. Oh, a wee bit of Link. Not a lot. It's just round tripped, hasn't it? The range token. I think maybe long term might do all right. We'll see. I mean, all this I've gotten better returns on Palantir than I have most crypto. Bought Palantir at, what was it, 107? So, okay, 3s, 2s, 1s, long, nice. Aggressive move through VWAP is bullish, trying to push up. Gio's not nice to me. He actually called me to argue. I told him about all my future travel plans, so he claim I'm following him around. He's all about the fake news. And you can't speak on mans when they're not here. Remember that, you know. But I hope you guys figure it out. September, October. I'd say late September if we're going to get it in September. Otherwise, November. October's bullish. I heard Link to 800. Yeah, that was Tim Warren. I'm not going to deny that. He said $800 Link, I'm pretty sure, last bull run. So you guys can go and ask him about that. We just tell the truth here. That's all. Chocolate salty balls. How you doing, man? You got into Palantir at 18? Oh, fucking legend, man. GG's. That's GG's. Stop loss into profit. Curtis Hill. You dirty bird. I love it, man. GG's, Curtis Hill. Good morning. Keen Bean. Wagon. What happens to the scenario where AI can't deflate everything? Well, that scenario means hyperinflation. That's what that means. More like $800 ETH. Yeah. Yeah, that would be good, wouldn't it? Got into Palantir at 10. Nice. Look at this. Golden Pocket tap now. NASDAQ climbing. ES climbing. All looking quite juicy here, guys. Trapping traders. Nice push. I'm looking to short it back into VWAP. Sweep the high. Little sweepy here. And then dumpy. Humpty Dumpty into market open. What do you guys think? Still no trade. Taking the trade, showing the trades, showing the deposits, showing the accounts. 35, 800. It was at 50,000. 800 yesterday. Took the money and ran into the bank account. Taking the money out. Doing it. We're here for it. See where we get to today. Local golden pocket right now. Coming into resistance. Nice push out. NASDAQ climbing. ES climbing. Bullish. Solana trying to flip support right now. Thank you, everybody, for being here. 320 people here on the live stream. God bless you guys. Thank you guys for supporting the channel, smashing like buttons. How many likes do we got? I haven't even asked or looked. 110. That's not bad, guys. Thank you guys for hitting that like button. It does help. I mean, you put crypto in any Canadian. Trust me, I just got a mortgage. I told them that I'm a YouTuber and I trade crypto. As soon as they said crypto, okay, we need to see every document. We're going to give you a document enema. Just bend over and cough. I need to know what your last 36 years of financials look like. So if you guys could help and smash the like button and subscribe and all that good stuff. Because I try to help you guys. So you guys, tit for tat. Let's go. But yeah, I mean, you tell them you're in crypto and you go to buy a house, you better be buying it cash. Like, that's all I got to say. Wild. Wild. But we're here for it. So thank you guys for supporting the channel and hanging out here. 330 people here. I don't know how many are on X. What's going on, X? Good to see you guys. Thanks for the follow. We got 30 people over there too. Salute. How's it going? I guess we got a stream over there. It's like a backup plan, right? That's the backup plan. Is if all else fails, we'll stream on X. But YouTube seems to have more reach, right? Into our sell wall rejection here. Aggressive candle up into golden pocket. Looking for a retracement. Potentially into this little order block down here. Ooh, little order block slap would be beautiful for continuation long as well. See how the price behaves. We got 25 minutes till market opens. I'm trying to do the full stream today to see if my numbers change at all, because the numbers on YouTube have been absolutely terrible. A lot of people leaving to go and enjoy their summer holidays while I'm just here making more money than they do every week. So that's it. Some of us want it. Some of us are hungry. We want to eat. We don't care if price is slow. We'll still make money. Right? That's why all you guys are here. Thank you for being here, because you guys hungry. The gang. The gang is always hungry. We always want to make that money. Could sleep later, right? I mean, I'm up at 4:30. Summertime is always slow. Yeah. What's going on, Vegas? Good to see you. You're considering that Dave Digital? Do you suggest top or bottom? I don't have experience in that, so it'd be poor for me to share. Some are leaving, can't complain about it. Yeah. Once I'm profitable on a demo, I'll be rolling in on it. That's it. That's a good way to start, man. That's a really good way to start. Can we see your 6 months of statements for Coinbase and explain the source of the... Yeah. Exactly. Say, don't worry about it. Is it real? Yeah. Yeah. They're like, where does all this like USDC come from? What is USDC? I'm like, so I make USDT, I convert it into USDC, then I transfer it into my Canadian exchange, then I convert it to Canadian dollars, and only then does it go into my bank account. Oh, well, we're going to need to see your trades. Here you go. Oh, we're going to need to see your left nuts pube on the circumference of the radius of 15 degrees to the north south of the earth when gravity is at its lowest and you're not at high altitude. Like it gets it gets a little bit ridiculous, man. Right? They want like all the data, man. Right? It's like, here you go. It's like, but we got the house, so it's okay. It's okay. Right? One always hangs lower than the other. That's just how it works there. Mr. I'm going to give you a mortgage, but I need to know which one hangs lower. Welcome to the AlexOCrypto show, guys. Where we take the trades live and we print. Happy days, but you know, we do probably not have as many subscribers or followers because we don't really, it's not that I don't care. I'm here to trade. You guys know that. If you want the professional teaching, stoic, nice, cheer you on, join the Discord. I'll do that for you there. The Discord be printing. Yeah, just join the Discord. Here we just talk shit and take trades. I want to talk less shit and take more trades. But, you know, God tells me I need to serve people. My God, anyways, that I need to go out and serve. That's where I find the most peace. So if I can help you in any way, I will do my best. I ain't got all the answers, but I'll share most of it. Indecision up at the highs here, engulfing candle. Back up. Chop at the top. Golden pocket resistance. This is a nice pushback. No higher high on the... I mean, we have a break of structure now, so we should be looking 1, 2, 3 backing discards, so... I have to add this just in case. Retest. Number 1 would be better here. Defending the lows. This sucks here. Like, this is just... This needs to be taken, in my opinion. All of this here. Just take it. Come and take this, but... We'll see. This will be the area where we're looking for resistance. We got a nice pushback here after a pretty aggressive rollover. No trade up in here yet. Coming into market open. We still got 11 minutes. No, 11 minutes. 19 minutes. Jeez, math. Hard sometimes. I prefer us coming to the lows, but we do have a mitigation of the high in here on the 12-minute time frame where I typically do my market structure. So looking for retests to buy now. All right, so we're looking for higher lows. That's what we're looking for, depending on where we come into, or an SFP. I really want the SFP. It's probably not what we're gonna get. NASDAQ continues to climb, breaking out, holding these highs. Let's get rid of this guy here. Retested previous highs. That's on the table. Escape. Come for this high here. This high here. So I like this here. I'm going to go here and here. NASDAQ continues to climb. ES as well. Liquidity here. We may have to come here, actually. All right. That's good. This is good. This is into market open. This is this is a trap. Okay, when they do this, it's I always, so we want constructive price action. Higher highs, higher lows. Retested previous highs, continuation out. When price action's moving like this, but up, this is just liquidity. So naturally they slap it and then they go. Okay. Be aware. Right? Just be aware. Chop at the top here. Sweep of the high. So this would be the corrective price action, ABC. Potential short here into VWAP, not worth this squeeze. If we lose VWAP in here, I am short here. That's A plus in my opinion. If we get the right setup in here, that's A plus. We look to short into the lows at 63. Otherwise, we're looking for continuation trades. If we come down in here, we bottom out. We look for that long. We come in here, we slap and go. We look for the long. If we top out in here, we can look for the short. Okay, there's lots of opportunity here. Let's just be patient, everybody. Thank you for being here. 333 people here on the live stream. 141 likes. We're going to do a $1,500 giveaway today, so you can still make $1,500 on the live stream. All you have to do is use the Bitunix link pinned in the comments down below here. All right, you get VIP 3 deposit bonuses, all the best deals on Bitunix, and you get to participate in the raffle every single Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. So please, if you don't mind, support the channel. Use the Bitunix link. Sign up with that. Deposit, and you're entered to win. What is nice is we don't have like the biggest community ever, so your chances to win are a lot better in here than they are elsewhere. So sign up with the link. Support the channel. Win-win. Thank you for being here. If you want to take your trading further, you can join the Discord. The best Discord in all of crypto. Taking the trades, showing the trades. We're going live, scalping right after this. No delay in the Discord. Hanging out. Never financial advice, but we trade live with no delay. You get to see me execute trades, yada, 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 after this stream, into that stream. Lots of fun. You also see me get to lose trades, which is fun, and manage my risk well and try not to tilt. We get to see the full Monty, but no, it's good to be here, guys. Thank you for being here. We'll see where we get to. A little push up after the PP in your eye data, holding out. Lower probabilities of us getting a rate increase coming into September, which is generally a little bit bullish. Right now, looking for breakout retest of previous highs here on our NASDAQ. See if NASDAQ can hold and continue, coming up for the liquidity of the highs. So looking for a pullback continuation on NASDAQ. Liquidity. We'll see if we do got to take some of this before heading upwards. Same with the ES. Okay. No real clear pullback area, in my opinion. Just trying to get above these highs right now. So no clear pullback. SPY looking for a gap up this morning. So when looking at the SPY, we can see it rolled over. We have since climbed back in. So looking for that gap up this morning on the SPY as well, which means that we would like to see market open up high. Okay, open up high, dump, find a low into the afternoon, and then push out. That's what we would like to see. Doesn't mean we're going to naturally get it. Just being prepared that way. Nice roll over here into from our sell wall. Rotation down right now. Trying to hold VWAP. 15 minutes till market opens. SpaceX down pre-market. Tesla down pre-market. Micron break even. Marvell break even. A little bit up. A little bit up for the tech stocks. ALAB down. ASML up. Okay, so mixed bag here. What about Google and Microsoft? How are they performing? Okay, Microsoft might be getting a bounce here. Amazon shot up pretty aggressively here. Yeah, still breaking down in my opinion. Google, yeah, got a gap to fill here on Google. That'd be nice. Tesla climbing. All right. 3 black crows coming down here. All right, chop at the top here, retest. I would like to see this order block tab coming into market open. I'd like to see like a slap here, reclaim and go off VWAP. Into our sell wall golden pocket here. I would prefer liquidity sweep if we're going to do it. So coming back up, liquidity sweep, then breakdown. No trade right here. News data driven. Okay, a little push into news. Slap. Higher low. Order block tap here. Continuation up. Nice little push. We'll see if it wants to get going here. Thank you everybody for being on the live. 360 360 people here. That's cool, man. Thank you guys for being here. Real alpha in the Discord. Alex is just teasing you all in here. It's true, man. Nice balloon dog. Yeah. on Doge? We'll see. I'm just a cock tease on YouTube. This is pretty true. Wayne, you've been printing though, man. Good work. I've played that course 5 times, Marius. It's fucking awesome. The Fairmount. It's $380 a round. DeChambeau. I've also played Silvertip, the other one he played. But the better one is Kananaskis. He hasn't played Kananaskis. So I used to live here in Canmore. I've moved into my new house. There's Banff. There's Kananaskis. There's Calgary. And I live somewhere over here. Okay. Banff is really good. There's Silvertip and Stewart Creek. Stewart Creek is better than Silvertip. So he plays Silvertip. I'm not a big fan of Silvertip. Silvertip's not good golf, in my opinion. Kananaskis, though, is fucking epic, man. You know the mountain in Skyrim? If any of you played Skyrim. Skyrim Mountain. All right, you guys all know the Skyrim Mountain, right? All right, all you super nerds, right? You got this big ass mountain, the Skyrim Mountain. If you've played Skyrim, you know there's like this one fucking mountain that's the throat of the world, right? That's like Elder Scrolls, but it's the same deal. All right. If you go to Kananaskis golf course. All right. Look at this. This is stupid, man. It's so sick. Like, this does not do it any justice. But it is so gigantic. It is so sick. This one right here. Like, it is so... And it's a nice course. It plays well. Big fairways. It's fun. Banff is really nice, though. 16 on Banff. You've never hit a ball like this. So 16 on Banff. I think it's 16 or 14. You go across the Bow River. So you got the Bow River coming up. I got to draw this out properly for you guys before the market opens. We're coming into VWAP here. We'll be all right. So you got your golf courses like this. So you got your bridge right here. All right. You got the mountain right here. Boom. Here's the mountain. And then you got your big ass fairway and then like the holes over here. You got your tree line here. You got the river that runs through here. Okay. You cross the bridge on your cart and you drive up the hill. This is your fairway into the hole. And like literally you're teeing off the top of the mountain. So you hit the ball and it's like in the air for like fucking, it feels like a minute. You got to hit 3 tee shots. Like it's just, you just got to do it for fun, right? It's just, and then you just watch it float. And like you hit like a 390-yard drive. It's crazy. It's crazy, man. It's such a hole. Like so good. Here's VWAP. All right, VWAP order block tap. Order block bounce. Order block bounce. Oof. Order block bounce. I don't like the way it's come into the order block here. Considering long. Right into market open too, you dirty girl. Oh, maybe no trade. We'll see. Yeah, it's a sick hole. Play the Blue Monster course. Really fun. Sweet. Might long here. Might long here, considering it. How much? You got a minute and a half on this candle. Pretty simple trade. We look to take that up. No, I don't think it's ready yet. It's still rolling over here. No strength. Topping out. NASDAQ topping out. Bitcoin struggling. No trade. Still waiting. Still waiting. We got market open too, guys, so yeah. And we need to pop off of here. No pop. No, just drop. No pop, just drop. Rotation down. Anybody take the short up here? GG's. I didn't take the short up there. I didn't like the price action here. Maybe off of that candle. Losing support here coming into market open. Interesting. Down we go. Still no trade here, guys. Rotation down. NASDAQ flat. Right through that order block like butter. Aggressive move through VWAP is typically bearish. Still waiting here. How to join Discord live? I just short activated. Nice. Waiting for orb to show the way. That's the way. Pretty nice track. Took the money. Good job, Curtis. Good job, bro. Nico short. Nice. What's going on, Trenchy? How you doing, bro? You joined the Discord, AlexOCrypto.com. And you can come live trade. That's all. That's all. Same. 5 minutes till market open here. Still waiting. Trying to hold. Nice push up. PP in your eye data here. Can we continue? VWAP and yeah, just a weak market right now. Interesting. Pushing back here, coming into support and resistance VWAP. Pushing back. All right, NASDAQ climbing. NASDAQ looks good here. No long here. Most likely short here, really. If we're going to look for a trade coming into market open. We still got 2 minutes here, guys. Thank you for being here on the live stream. No trade right now. Still waiting. Bitcoin struggling a little bit here. Indecision. Sweep, hanging man. Sweep, doji. Pin bar doji. Indecision, continuation down. Coming into market open. Should be good. NASDAQ looking to climb. SPY gap up. Tesla bearish. Bitcoin bearish. Gold. Gold trying to hold. All right. Bitcoin rolling over here. Retest back in, continuation down. Retest back up, continuation down for Solana. Bitcoin breaking down. Solana looks like it needs to go for a ride down. Coming into market open here. A minute and a half. Solana short. Back down into the lows. Could be juicy. Bitcoin gonna go? Bitcoin rolls over here. Solana's gonna definitely roll over. Nasdaq's trying to hold. 1 minute. ES still climbing. Nasdaq still climbing. Bitcoin trying to hold here. Slow grind down. Here we go, baby. Market's going to be open. Good morning, good morning. Island Man, good to see you. Sweep the leg, choose violence. I would like 63. We just lost VWAP pretty aggressively. Solana breakdown, retest, continuation down. 15 seconds. Nasdaq holding, but chop all the way up here. Permission to roll over if it wants. Bitcoin below VWAP and resistance. I like lower. Here we go, baby. Nasdaq rolling over. SPY, big gap up. Market is open. Ding, 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 ding. Looking for a rollover here. SPY, big sweep and dump. Nasdaq rolling over, coming back for liquidity. Bitcoin looking to dump here. Considering shorts. Bitcoin dumps here. We are going to get short here. Most likely on Solana. I would look for Solana short here if it does give it to us. Watching Bitcoin right now, trying to hold on into resistance here. Might need a little snapback before rolling over. SPY coming back down. Look for the gap fill all the way down here. We'll see if we get it. Nasdaq rolling over. Retesting that. I mean, we should trade Nasdaq, shouldn't we, guys? Every day. Every day we seem to find that snap low. Bitcoin stalling out here. No push. Still looking a little bit weak. Trying to push back. Trying to hold and go here. Higher high, higher low. Trying to hold. Trying to go. Can it push? Nasdaq rolling over. SPY. Pump and dump. Big gap. Pump and dump. Tesla rolling over. Bitcoin trying to push back here. Interesting. Bitcoin dumping. Looking for a dump here. Roll over, Biddy. Nasdaq rolling over. There we go. Considering short on Solana. Down into these lows. Something like that. Potentially. SPY's still holding here. Going down to the 1 minute. Solana. Biddy's still holding. Battle. Big battle. Nasdaq bounce. Trying to bounce. Flushing out. Gold rotation down. Bitcoin trying to hold here. Short set VWAP. Short set the high here potentially. Considering Solana short. Bitcoin pushing back. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live. 400 people here. Don't forget to smash those like buttons, please. And thank you. Hopefully you're having a beautiful, beautiful day. Bitcoin trying to hold on here. Can it continue up? NASDAQ bouncing. Here's our little bounce. Can it get through VWAP? Hold. Push. Hold and push. Solana reclaiming. Coming back in here. Solana holding. No trade. Nice push out for Solana. NASDAQ bouncing. SPY continuing to climb. Bullish. Looking strong here. Reclaim a VWAP. Sweep and dump. Sweep and dump. Slap and go. Slap and go. My wife is set off the fire alarm. My wife has set off the fire alarm. I hope she has fixed it. It sounds like she's fixed it. Breaking out here. Can it keep going? Breakout, retest, continuation trade. Trying to push out here. Bitcoin breaking out here. Trying to push. Can we get going? Long's paying right now. NASDAQ breaking out. Might open this up for a long. NASDAQ breaking out. SPY breaking out. Bitcoin trying to push out here. Can it get going? No push out here. NASDAQ continuing to rip. SPY continuing to rip. Big push out here. Ripping for stocks. Can we get going on Bitcoin? Can Bitcoin follow suit? Trying to push out. Aggressive moves through VWAPs. Typically bullish. Looking for follow through here. One's in the chat if you're long. Thank you everybody for being here. Hanging out. God bless you guys. Solana looking to get going. Looking for follow through here on Solana. Let's get long. Can we get going? Looking for longs into the high for Solana. Considering longs here. NASDAQ flying. SPY flying. Bitcoin dying. Let's go, Biddy. Biddy's got to go here. Retest the previous highs on Solana. Continuation up here. Potential. Up to the high here. I'd have to open this up a little bit if we're going to get here. NASDAQ SPY flying. Beautiful push out. Can we keep going? Bitcoin struggling a little bit here. NASDAQ melting. Big melt up for NASDAQ. Considering long here, Bitcoin's got to go, man. Otherwise, we're looking for VWAP slap continuation up. NASDAQ stalling out a bit. Looking for Bitcoin to follow suit. No follow through. Ones. Let's go. Push. Ugly bottom here for Biddy, but looking for that push. Trying to get through, trying to come up for this liquidity up here. NASDAQ's vertical. Bitcoin's flat. Let's get long. I'm going to get long on Solana here. Just open it up a little bit. Let's see if we can push. Looking for follow through on Solana here. We're long. We'll see if we can get up into this high here. Opening it up, meaning a little bit more wiggle room for the risk management. Seeing if we can push. I like to see Bitcoin go here. Bitcoin's got to go, man. Look at NASDAQ. Look at SPY. Gold's still struggling. Looking for Bitcoin to go. So we're long here on Solana. Looking for this thing to push up into these highs. See if we can push out on Soy Boy Lana here. Looking to follow suit. Come on, Biddy. Push, you Nambe Pambe. Let's get going. Come on. NASDAQ SPY flying. You can do it. You can do it all night long, Nikki. Come on, baby. Push. You gonna Steve Ruggle on me, or are we gonna get going here? First take profit order block up here. If we do push up into it. You can do it. You can do it all night long, Solana. I believe in you. I believe you can fly. Touch the sky. Sometimes you got to talk to Solana like it's your, you know. Otherwise it wrecks you. Bear div here. Bitcoin struggling a bit here. Come on, baby. Push. Dave told me don't be a dick for a tick, so. Thank you, Dave, for not saying don't be a dick for a tick. Let's see if it follows through. GG's up 300. Stop to entry. NASDAQ ripping, SPY ripping, looking for follow through. That's all we're looking for here. Aggressive take profits. GG's, gang. A little topping out here on NASDAQ could lead to a little bit of a retracement now. We probably get stopped. Bitty bearish divergence up 786 after sweeping this high. Probably going to get stopped here. That's fine. Yep, stopped out. Quickie. NASDAQ cooling down now. SPY cooling down now. Bitcoin 786 liquidity sweep. Will it continue? Solana still going. Sweep of the high here. If we bearish engulf here, I'm short. Orb is coming in right now. There's our orb. This is shorting territory. The NASDAQ's still showing strength and the SPY. So 30 seconds on this candle here on Solana. Yeah, we're short. Let's short it. Oh, dump it, baby. Come on. Dump it. Right down. Wreck all these longs. You can do it, baby. You got my permission, Solana. You can do it. Biddy bouncing hard. Oh, VWAP bounce. Don't you do that to me, Biddy. Don't you do that to me, Biddy. So I got to stay protected above here. Don't do that to me, Biddy. NASDAQ drop. Don't do that to me, Biddy. No, you're bouncing. I should get out. I'm going to get out. Break even. Biddy's bouncing. You're allowed to dump if you want, but Biddy's bouncing. I should probably close. Let's see how it goes here. We'll see. Oh, Biddy. I'm in the wrong asset today, guys. NASDAQ flying. Holy smokes, Batman. Beautiful ascending triangle breakout for NASDAQ. SPY as well. Bitcoin, VWAP slap, continuation up. 2 trades, 1 300, 1 break even. Will we continue? Thank you, everybody, for being on the live. Orb is in, trying to get above orb, flip orb for support. Continuation up, potentially. We'll see. Should have taken that money off of Solana and ran. Retest the previous highs, continuation up. What's the confluence on Solana? For the long, it was NASDAQ breaking out, SPY breaking out, Bitcoin breaking out, higher highs, higher lows, uptrend, continuation trade. DAC flying. Absolutely flying. Face melting. If Bitcoin pushes through here, it's gonzo. Breakout, retest, continuation, Solana. I still like Solana into the highs. Like I like Solana up into 76.50. How we get there though? Bitcoin's struggling a little bit here. NASDAQ ain't struggling. SPY ain't struggling. Can I get through orb? It's taking the liquidity at this high. This is 786 territory. This would be resistance here for a lower high. Now she goes. What a breakout, man. Tesla ripping too. SpaceX down for the day, but still ripping. Bitcoin's got to hold here. Bitcoin's got to push up. It doesn't have to, but I want to see it hold here up into this high. Really struggling though, Biddy, eh? Holy. No trade here. Still waiting. No signs of letting up for NASDAQ. Bitcoin looking to push here. Can we go? No push, just weakness. Bitcoin's still weak. Bottoming out on our oscillator here, trying to push out. This candle's important. This candle's important. High or low. Trying to push back. Can we engulf this candle or are we going to break down? 20 seconds. If we engulf here, we could consider longing. NASDAQ cooling down now. So NASDAQ's cooling off a bit. Same with SPY into resistance. Is this all-time high for SPY? This is all-time high, right? Yeah, this is all-time highs. All-time highs for SPY. My God. SPY don't care. SPY just going up. Doji, 30 seconds, 3 minute. Got to push here. Thank you everybody for being on the live, hanging out here. 9:54. Can we continue? We got the $1,500 giveaway coming out as well today, guys. Chop at the top for Solana. Middle of the range for Biddy. Permission to go up, but Steve Ruglin at the 786 here a bit. No trades. Well, 2 trades today. Break even and a $300 win. Trying to go. 390 people here. Thank you for being here, guys. SPY trying to push. All-time highs, SPY, man. Holy smokes. Bitcoin flat as a board. Literally bored. We got splooshies now. Splooshy shorts. This could be bearish as ever. If we lose orb rejection here, bet you Django is short from top of orb. If we lose this, man, Solana's gonzo. Woo. We did get short in here. Maybe we should have stayed short and protected above the high here. This is technically a lower high. NASDAQ doesn't care about your lower highs, Alex. Biddy 786, liquidity sweep, rotation down. Higher highs, higher lows. Trend is still up. Still no trade here. We got to start trading NASDAQ at this rate. Not with this pump on NAS and SPY, but I considered. Okay. If you join the gang, you still only see the free Discord. You need to verify. So on the AlexOCrypto website, you got to go over to here. You got to go to Discord. And you go to verify. Verify membership at the bottom here. Okay. NASDAQ Spire flying. This is crazy. Crazy pump. Solana loses this, we're short. Bitcoin loses VWAP, we're short. This looks bearish. Down we go. Down we go. We'd have to open this up too. This uptrend though, man. This uptrend. I don't like where Biddy bounced yesterday. I like 63. Maybe I'm married to 63. Let's do the giveaway. Thank you everybody for being on the live, hanging out here. God bless you guys. Thank you for supporting the channel, hanging out here. We do a giveaway every single Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. $5,000. Woof. Crazy, man. Crazy giveaways. Cranky, what's going on, bro? This price action is not, ooh, this price action is, ooh, shit. But we've been doing all right. We've been doing good. Just took 15 grand into the bank account, bro. So we've been trading well. Doing the giveaway right now for all the gang members. Thank you guys for supporting the channel and hanging out here. I guess we got to play. I would like to see a dump right now, if we're being honest. Maybe we play the congratulations ALE. Let's do another one. Someone has the name Alex. You got Alexander G. Maybe that's Alexander G. I'm out of coffee. We got Rob. Congratulations, Rob, Mr. Bahama. Bahama Crypto. Rob. GG's, man. $500 giveaway. Congratulations to you. If we play the pump song, will it dump, you think? And BAS, congratulations, man. GG's.
Rip the band-aid off into the ground. Take the liquidity, sweep the low. Where does it stop? Nobody knows. Put a 2 in the chat if you are sure. Dump it. Dump it. Down to the floor. Dump it. Dump it. 2 in the chat if you are sure. Dump it. Down to the floor. Dump it.
Brother, ooh, I'll send you some OG. I got some OG gear for you if you want.
Send it to 0.
Not with NASDAQ pumping like this, guys. This ain't. We're going to go trade live in the Discord. I want to dump here, guys. I want to dump to 63. I don't know if we're going to get it. Trade safe. We'll be here tomorrow. Not an easy trading day today. Quite choppy. I do appreciate you guys being here. I think they're trapping longs right now. I think we're going to get short. We'll see how it goes, but I do appreciate you guys being here. Crank, I owe you a call. God bless you, bro. Hopefully everybody's having a wonderful day. Having a wonderful Thursday, everybody. Thank you for being here, supporting the channel, smashing those likes on the way out. God bless you, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.
On the comer, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making the moves that'll flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolio.